In this video I am going to show you how you can change call ringtone on your Android smartphone. Open your call app and click on Settings. After the scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After the click on Phone Ringtone. Here you can see that there will be many ringtones in your mobile phone. You can select from here. After that you can also edit from your gallery by clicking on Add Ringtone. For example, here I show it. From here you can select the ringtone of your choice from your gallery. Here I select and show you. In this way you can change your ringtone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.